Hi, and welcome to Jordan District's Big Six in 60 Seconds. Today we'll be focusing on Google, specifically upcoming sessions at our UCET Conference and Google ChromeVox. These are some of the must-see sessions at UCET, focusing on Google tools, Holy Sheets with Ian Davey, GEG Utah Demo Slam, and AI for Accessibility with Google Tools, the GEM in AI with Eric Kurtz, as well as other sessions, using Google Sites for building teacher capacity, and Ignite Learning with Google Suite. And now onto our Big Six in 60, Google ChromeVox. Today I'm going to show you a quick accessibility tip on a student Chromebook. Go down to the bottom right-hand corner, click on the time, click on the gear icon, and scroll down until you see accessibility. Look for the words ChromeVox Screen Reader. Once you toggle it on, it will read your screen out loud to you.
ChromeVox spoken feedback is ready.
If you click on this one here, you can customize the rate, pitch, and volume of the voice. You can also change the accent or dialect of the voice, and then you can type in text that you'd like to preview in order to hear the voice.
Hi there, I'm your text-to-speech voice.
Any website in Google Chrome.
ChromeVox spoken feedback is ready. AI overview. Learn more about generative AI. Opens in new tab. About this result, 5th grade science covers topics such as Earth, space, matter, and energy. Students learn through hands-on projects and investigate.